In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code using a third-party tool. A QR code is a fantastic way to share links quickly and efficiently, whether you're looking to enhance your marketing materials or make it easier for customers to access your online resources. Today, we're focusing on creating a QR code specifically for your Acuity scheduling page. So let's dive right in. First, you need to access your Acuity scheduling account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your public scheduling page link. Don't worry if you're not sure where to find it. Simply go to the scheduling page section, then click on link, and from there, head over to direct links and embedding. This section contains all the information you need to get the specific URL for your scheduling page. Once you have located that, go ahead and copy the URL that corresponds to the scheduling page you wish to share. Make sure to copy the entire link so there are no errors when someone scans the QR code. It's important to have the correct link, as this is the address that will guide your audience directly to your scheduling page when they scan the QR code. Next, head to a reliable QR code generation tool. For this demonstration, we'll use Canva, which offers an easy-to-navigate interface. Begin by selecting the option to create a new QR code. You should then see a field specifically for pasting the URL. This is where you'll insert the Acuity scheduling URL you copied earlier. Paste it into the appropriate field and ensure there are no typos or missed characters, as this could prevent the QR code from working properly. Follow the instructions provided by Canva, which guide you through customizing your QR code. Customizing your QR code could involve changing colors, adding a logo, or selecting a style that matches your branding. While it's tempting to get creative, make sure modifications do not affect the code's scannability. Keeping the contrast between the background and the code itself is crucial to maintaining its functionality. Once you're satisfied with the appearance of your QR code, proceed to generate it. Canva will often provide a preview so you can double-check everything looks perfect. When you're all set, download the QR code image. It's usually provided in a format compatible with both digital and print media, like PNG or SVG. Now that you have your QR code ready, think about where you want to use it. You can add it to your website, making it easy for visitors to schedule an appointment. Consider including it in social media posts to reach a wider audience. If you utilize physical marketing materials, like brochures or business cards, adding this QR code can direct potential clients to your scheduling page seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Acuity scheduling page using a third-party tool. This small but powerful tool will simplify the process for your clients to connect with you. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you'll find this process as helpful and straightforward as I do.